The story of the Little Red Hen. Introducing the Little Red Hen. Introducing the cow.
Moo.
Next up is the pig.
Oink, 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 oink.
Next up is our friendly mouse.
Squeak, squeak, squeak.
And lastly, introducing the miller.
Hi there.
Once upon a time, a little red hen was out for a walk on a beautiful day. As she walked, she found a grain of wheat.
Look what I found. Who will help me plant this seed? Moo, not I. Oink, 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 not I. Squeak, 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 not me. Buck, 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 buck. Then I will plant the seed myself.
And so the red hen scratched the earth and planted the seed all by herself. And now it's time to water the seed.
Who will help me water the seed? Moo, not I. Oink, 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 not me. Squeak, 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 not me. Then I will water the seed myself.
When the seed was planted and watered into the ground, the sun shone down and the wheat grew tall and straight until it was golden and ripe. Once the wheat was ripe, all of the animals became very excited.
Moo. Oink, oink, oink. Squeak, 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 squeak. Who will help me harvest this wheat? Moo, what is to harvest? Squeak, 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 what does that mean? Oink, 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 I don't understand. Harvesting means to cut and gather up the wheat. Now, who would like to help? Moo, not I. Squeak, 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 not me. Oink, 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 not I. Then I will harvest the wheat myself. Snip, 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 snip. Snip, 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 snip. Snip, snip, snip.
And the hen continued on with her project.
Who will help me take the wheat to the miller so that he can grind the wheat into flour? Moo, not I. Squeak, 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 not me. Oink, 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 not I. Then I will take it to the miller myself. Hi there. Mr. Miller, will you take my wheat to your flour mill and mill my wheat and make it into bread flour for me? Why, of course I will. That's what I do. Oh, I love to make flour, flour, flour. Here we go. Here we go. Why, thank you. I can tell you've been very hard at work, Mr. Miller. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Bye-bye now. Who will help me mix the flour and bake the bread? Moo. will take this dough into my kitchen now and bake the bread myself. I think I hear the timer now. Ding.
And when the bread was finished baking, the little red hen took out the warm, crusty loaf of bread from the oven, and she was so proud of it.
Who will help me eat this tasty, fresh bread? Moo! I will. Oink, 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 oink. I will. Squeak, 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 squeak. I will. No, you won't. I shall eat it myself. Aww. Why can't I have any? You didn't help me plant the seed, water the seed, harvest the wheat, take it to the miller, or bake the bread. This is delicious bread. All of my hard work makes the bread delicious.
Now, boys and girls, the moral of the story is that if we work together, we will all be rewarded. The end.